Hello, my name is Aparna Gaikwad. Welcome to my channel. So, I am virtual assistant and digital marketer for business owners. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to generate Instagram outreach script for collaboration. So, before moving forward, I want you to know more about ChatGPT first. So, ChatGPT is basically a software which understands human language and it gives us examples written in human language. It means if we ask it any question, it will answer it using human language. So, it is not like any computer or robotic language. So, nowadays, the software is used by many business owners, content creators, social media manager, digital marketers, and many other industries. So if you don't know about this software, you can surely try this software. The software is right now only available on web. The app version of the software is not released yet. And this is a free software. You don't have to pay any money to use this software. So I will recommend you to use the software and take benefits of the software for your business or for your profile. So here are few tasks which you can do using ChatGPT. So you can use automated response for your custom inquiries. You can create content for your account using ChatGPT. You can create product description for your Amazon account or Etsy account, anything else. So you can also write your marketing copy like emails, blogs using ChatGPT. So you can do many things using ChatGPT. So it is up to you, your requirement. So today we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to generate Instagram outreach script. So I'm going to ChatGPT software right now. So this is ChatGPT software. You can sign up using your Google account or using your email ID. So here is the interface of the software. Here is the toolbar, or you can call it as a text bar, where we can write our queries. And after hitting this button, ChatGPT shows us output. So I'm going to paste that query here, right here, and hit this button. So ChatGPT generated this response for us. So if I go through this response, I find it very professional and spot on. We can use this inscription to outreach to content creators of Instagram or any other platform, and definitely it will help us. And as you can see, it has written this description or script within a minute. We don't need to think about what I should write now or any editing. So we can directly use this script and start our outreach process. So I'm going to use this script personally for my outreach process of my Instagram account, and I will share results with you after a few days. Let me know in comments how you find this process. Are you going to use this process for your account or your clients? If you want to know about digital marketing, Canva, ChatGPT, Instagram, YouTube channel management, you can follow me on these three platforms. I always share information, my knowledge, my experience, my outputs after trying different things on all these platforms. Thank you for watching my video. Click hit subscribe button to get more video like this in future. Turn on the bell notification. Thank you.